In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Docusign with Monday.com in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and will help streamline your workflow by connecting these two powerful tools. So let's dive right in. To get started, head over to Monday.com. If you're not already logged in, you will see the login option in the upper right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. If it's your first time logging in, you'll be prompted to use either a Google account or an email that's connected to your Monday.com account. Follow the instructions on the screen, and once logged in, you will be directed straight to your Monday workspace, assuming you have logged in previously. Now that you're inside your workspace, you want to find the marketplace. You can do this by clicking the dotted square icon located in the upper right corner. This will open up the marketplace for you. In the marketplace, there's a search bar. Type in Docusign and hit enter. You should see the Docusign app appear in the search results. Next, we need to install the app. Click on the app to begin the installation process. You'll be prompted to choose the workspace you want to work on. Carefully select your desired workspace and proceed. After a successful installation, you will be redirected to view the templates available for automation. These templates have been designed to help automate various processes on your boards in Monday.com, making your work more efficient. Have a look at these templates and choose one that suits your needs. Once you click on a template, you may be asked to connect your Docusign account. This is a crucial step as it allows for seamless integration between Docusign and Monday.com. Log into your Docusign account when prompted, ensuring that all permissions are granted for smooth functioning. Finally, once you're signed into Docusign, you can start utilizing these automation templates on your Monday.com boards. This combination opens up a range of possibilities for automating document processes directly within your project management workflow, enhancing productivity and saving time. And there you have it, a seamless process to integrate Docusign into your Monday.com experience. This integration is a game changer, especially for teams that handle a lot of document processing within their project management tools. Remember to explore the different automation templates available, as they can significantly improve how you manage tasks and documents within your organization. Thank you for following along, and I hope this integration helps optimize your workflow.